How do you react more quickly to patient monitor alarms? As a nurse, I need access to all kinds of relevant patient information to help prioritize my activities and provide quality patient care. Fortunately, we have Ascom's Unite messaging suite, which helps me prioritize my care more effectively, because in critical situations, it's all about making the right decisions at the right time. Unite sends patient monitor alarm notifications for my assigned patients directly to my mobile device. Even if I'm busy in another patient room and cannot hear the alarm, I'm notified right away by an alarm message on my device. The alarm message not only delivers precise alarm information, it also provides distinctive alert tones based on priority and the patient cardiac waveform image. It's a lot easier to focus on my task at hand, knowing I'll be notified if an important patient event occurs. One of the things I like most about Unite is the reduction in the number of patient alarms I receive each shift. Previously, I was overwhelmed with alarms, which added a lot of stress to my job. Alarm fatigue was a constant problem here with our team. With Unite's smart alarm filtering, I've noticed a significant reduction in the alarm messages I receive. Unite's alarm filtering can combine multiple alarms into a single alarm message or apply delay timers to reduce low-priority alarm messages. This means I can now spend more time with my patients and less time responding to minor events. Patient safety is always our top priority. Unite helps us with patient safety by automatically escalating an alarm message if no message response is received or if a nurse responds busy to a message. Automatically escalating alarm messages to my backup lessens confusion and speeds up our response time. I'm even notified once my backup accepts the alarm message, giving me peace of mind. Having the ability to keep working on my current task without interruption allows me to be more efficient and productive for my patients. At the same time, I know my backup will help out when necessary. Unite, connecting people to information.